Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how I can edit this photo. So firstly I'm going to duplicate this photo. Then I'll get to camera raw filter. Gonna make some changes. I'm going to choose the auto profile at the beginning. Then I will change the highlight to -52, texture around 2038, adjust the exposure to 25, increase the contrast to about 43, adjust the shadow about 42, increase the vibrance to around 41, then come to the camera calibration and change the blue saturation to around -38. Then get to the tone curve, change the shadow to around 18. Then gonna change the split toning, shadow saturation to 16, hue around 87, highlight saturation around 3 to 4, then highlight hue to change to around 188, balance to -26. I'll change the temperature to -8 and tint around 0. So tint is 0. Then I choose the adjustment brush, default preset. Then I will increase the temperature 27 and change the skin tone around 27. I will adjust the temperature, the skin tone. I'll make it 10, and the tint I will make it around -7. Now I'll change it. I'll change it to +10. Then I will increase the contrast around 45. Then I choose the radial filter. I will not choose the subject, so I'll make any change to the outside of the subject, so the effect is gonna be outside. And the sharpness I'm gonna make it -100, and you can see the effects outside. Texture is -100. Then I will click OK. So you can see the camera raw filter, any changes I made. Then I get to selective color, get to the black, make the black +3, make the yellow about 2, +2. Then get to the neutral, change the black to -5, -4. Then yellow made a change to minus plain. Magenta is -1, it's alright. Then get to the white, make the yellow -6, make the black to -8, -7 is okay. Then magenta -4. Then I'm gonna make another selective color and change the neutral to minus +2 is okay. Then gonna make it changes to yellow, -3, magenta, not gonna change the magenta. Then get to the black, -1, and yellow -2. So then Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a new layer, merge layer, all of them. Then I'm gonna flatten the image, duplicate this layer, get to the camera raw filter again, then basic, I'm gonna reduce the highlight, -18, make some changes to detail, sharpening around 51, noise reduction increase to minus only to 35, then increase the contrast to 28, then label grain on the photo 15, then vignette the photo, so amount decrease to -15, highlight I will increase to 100, so then choose a mask, then choose the brush and use the black brush, so increase the contrast of the eye and lips, then control alt shift E to merge all the layer, then flatten my image. Then I'm gonna make a duplicate layer, then get to the filter and choose sharpen unsharp mask, click OK. Then I'm gonna flatten the image. So right now I'm gonna use the patch tool to remove the blemish. Patch tool is really good to remove the blemish or any um, other spot if you want to remove, or to make the skin better some of the place. You see that there is not even clean skin, so you can easily remove it using the patch tool is the best one. So I'm gonna quicken the process. So now I'm gonna duplicate the layer. Then I'm gonna make this convert this smart filter. Then I'm gonna use the Gaussian blur and change the Gaussian blur to about 7.4, around 5.6. Then I'm gonna duplicate another layer from background and put it on the top, and I'm gonna choose the top layer. I'm gonna get to the filter, other high pass filter, change the radius to about 2.6. Then change the blending mode to vivid light. Then make a new layer and choose the wet brush. So I'm gonna use on this skin with the wet brush. So I'm using the wet brush to make the skin smoother. This is skin retouching, so make this skin looks smoother and looks better. So basically we turn it off the top layer because when we are doing the brush using the wet brush, we turn it off the top layer, then we use the wet brush to smooth the skin, and when we turn it on, then we don't use the brush, because if you use the brush it's gonna look different. So that's why we always turn it off the top layer, then use the wet brush to smooth the skin or do any skin retouching. So I'm gonna speed up the workflow now. So now flatten the whole image. Skin retouching almost done. Then duplicate the layer, choose other, and then choose high pass filter to sharpen the image. Make the radius to 1, then change it to soft light. So this is gonna make this skin more sharp. I'll change the plenty more soft light to vivid light. So this is the final result. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching.